Here's something in the category of people ask me this about their miter saw, and it's a what's the deal kind of a thing. So the what's the deal is, I've got this thing on my miter saw that I really don't understand what it's all about. It's a stop kind of a gizmo. On this saw, it's this part right here. So pay attention to this bolt. And right now the stop component is disabled. So when I come down, that bolt does not bear against anything. That lets me make a through cut. When I flip this down, the bolt kisses, and that limits my vertical travel. So what's the deal with that? Well, let me leave that in a down position and show you here what the deal is. We can use that function for making dados on your miter saw. And here's how that would look. I've limited the depth by virtue of that bolt. So instead of a through cut, we're only getting a partial cut. And of course, because it's a threaded bolt, we can dial it down or dial it up to increase or decrease the depth of cut. Now, you're probably looking at that dado and saying, that ain't gonna work very well, because the nature of this is that we end up with that upsweep at the end. Very simple solution to that. When you're doing the real deal, you need a little bit of a backer board, then your target board. Let's repeat that process. And with the backer board, we can get a dado that blasts all the way through and is the same level throughout. So it's an interesting thing to know about. I don't use it every day, but if you just need to do a dado or two, that ain't a bad way to do it.